Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. DOGE to distribute funds to creditors by end of 2023. CBDCS will serve to control users. Ethereum's SHAPELLA update, scheduled for April 12th. DOGECOIN'S value crashes. What happens if Michael Saylor is wrong about Bitcoin? New highs in Bitcoin mining difficulty.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
DOGE to distribute funds to creditors by end of 2023. DOGE will begin distributing funds to creditors this year, as announced by its trustee on April 7, 2021. The deadline for creditors to provide their payment information has passed, and the creditor registration has been closed. The tentative date to begin payments is October 31, 2023, but the trustee has noted that there could be changes. Payments will be made in cryptocurrencies, or fiat currency, according to the preference of the creditor. The first 200,000 yen of each claim will be paid in yen, and if the claim is larger, creditors will receive a combination of cryptocurrencies and cash. The payment process will be coordinated with financial institutions and cryptocurrency exchanges. The trustee also noted that the deadline for payments could be extended with the permission of the Tokyo District Court. DOGE will distribute an unknown portion of the 142,000 BTC, 143,000 BCH, and 69 billion Japanese yen that it holds. The goal is to ensure that the payment process is as smooth as possible, to ensure that creditors receive their payments as soon as possible. CBDCS will serve to control users. The president of the ECB admits that CBDCS will be used to control users. Christine Lagarde, president of the European Central Bank, has recently admitted that central bank digital currency CBDCS will be used as tools for financial control. The conversation took place in the context of the recent advancement of CBDCS in the European Union. Lagarde's statement has raised concerns among privacy and financial freedom advocates. In addition, the possibility that CBDCS may be used as tools for surveillance and financial control could have serious consequences for privacy and financial freedom in general. On the other hand, it is also important to note that the digitization of the financial system and the issuance of CBDCS can have many benefits for citizens, especially those who do not have access to traditional banking services. Ethereum's SHAPELLA update, scheduled for April 12th. Ethereum's SHAPELLA update may have lower selling pressure than expected, according to profit and loss analysis by CryptoQuant. The update, which allows stakers and validators to withdraw assets from the beacon chain, has been highly anticipated and has significant implications for the crypto market. Currently, over half of the locked Ethereum is operating at a loss, suggesting that holders may be more inclined to wait for a price rebound before selling. Additionally, a divergence between exchange and non-exchange addresses may indicate an increase in ETH demand. Although the price of ETH has not yet surpassed the horizontal resistance area of $1,940, if the bullish trend continues and the price closes above this threshold, the cryptocurrency could reach the following resistance levels at $2,440 and $3,400. Dogecoin's value crashes. Twitter removed Dogecoin's logo from its home button and went back to the company's traditional bluebird, causing Dogecoin's price to drop by nearly 10%. Twitter's action sparked speculation about whether it was a joke for Fool's Day or if hackers had gained access to the platform. Elon Musk, who has boosted the Musk effect on Doge's price since 2019, has been sued for $258 billion for allegedly running a pyramid scheme to boost Dogecoin. Additionally, Musk requested the dismissal of the Manhattan court's lawsuit earlier this month, and his legal advisor suggested that Dogecoin is not a security. Despite this, Dogecoin's market capitalization exceeds $11 billion, and its price is hovering around 8 cents. What happens if Michael Saylor is wrong about Bitcoin? The CEO of MicroStrategy has become one of the biggest advocates for digital assets and has acquired 140,000 BTC. The lack of diversification in investments could impact the financial health of MicroStrategy if the value of Bitcoin decreases. and investors shift their focus towards alternative assets or traditional financial instruments. Additionally, the company's reputation could be affected, and stakeholders may question SAYLOR's leadership. SAYLOR's optimism has influenced many investors, and a setback could cause wavering confidence in the digital asset, which could have a domino effect in the crypto market. If SAYLOR's predictions don't materialize, it could jeopardize both his personal reputation and MicroStrategy's financial stability. The volatility of Bitcoin prices has raised doubts about its ability to serve as a reliable store of value. New highs in Bitcoin mining difficulty. Bitcoin mining difficulty has reached new highs for the fourth consecutive time, increasing by 2.23%. This is partly due to Bitcoin's average hash rate also reaching a new all-time high of 342.16 hash per second. However, mining difficulty is expected to decrease by 0.42% during the next recalculation, which will take place around April 20th. The price of Bitcoin has slightly decreased over the past 2 weeks, from its 10-month high of $29,100 to $27,900, but overall has maintained a bullish trend since the beginning of the year. During the first quarter of 2023, the price of Bitcoin increased by 70%, and the number of BTC holders increased by 5%, which is equivalent to 45.74 million users. Many investors have chosen to invest in BTC due to uncertainty in the banking sector and the growing preference for transparent, verifiable, and decentralized financial services.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking at me.